What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Marty from Johnny Minecraft. Let's begin today's lesson all the way up towards the top of the page with the bottom edge of the hat. We're going to start on the left, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right, to right about there. Now on the ends, draw a short line going up, and we'll close this off with another straight line. From the top corners, we're going to step in, draw two lines going up towards the top of the head. Then again, we're going to flatten this off with a straight line. Let's add a tag in the center, leaving a gap in the middle, draw two lines going up towards the top, and we'll flatten this off. Now I want to line up with the left side of the head underneath the hat brim, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the head, to right about there. Let's line up with the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. And we want to flatten off the bottom of the head with another straight line. Along the bottom of the head in the middle, let's draw a curve for the mouth. We're going to come down and then up, go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down and then up. Let's add the teeth, add a curve across the top, and a curve going up and down across the bottom for the tongue. Now from the top corners of the mouth, we're going to step up and curve the cheeks. We're going to start on the left. We're going to go up and then out and do the same thing on the right. This will be for the bottom edge of the eyes. And then from the inside, we're going to curve the top of the eye with an oval going all the way up, round up the eye, and then come in towards the bottom. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. On the left, we're going to draw an oval. Going around, just tuck that in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. And then along the top, let's add a small circle for highlight. Let's overlap the eyebrows on top of the hat. We're going to start on the left, go across, and then down around the eyes. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. From the corners of the head, we're going to step in, draw two straight lines coming all the way down towards the hips. And we'll flatten off the bottom to create a rectangle. Let's move up, draw a straight line going across the top of the belt. Leave a gap in the center and draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's move back up to the top and draw a small rectangle for the collar. Now from the side of the body, we're going to curve the arms going out and then down towards the bottom of the hand. Let's line up on the right side. We're going to go out and then bring that down towards the same height. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to angle the top of the shoulders going up and then out. And we want to follow that same curve along the outside of the arm, coming down. Let's flatten off the bottom with a straight angled line. Now I want to draw the inside edge of the arms. From this point, draw a straight line coming in. And I'll follow this curve along the inside, tucking that in towards the side of the body. Now from the top corner of the arms, draw a straight line coming in towards the body. Let's go halfway up the arm, draw a straight angled line coming across the sleeve. And then from the inside, draw a straight line coming in. Now going back to the hips, we're going to draw the outside of the legs. We're going to bend the legs going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom of the legs, coming in. And I want to pull this back up and in towards the middle, following that same curve, going up towards the top. Now let's draw the inside edge of the legs with two short angled lines coming up and in. And then again, we're going to follow the curve of the legs, going up towards the middle, and then down towards the right. Along the bottom of the feet, we're going to step up, draw a straight line. I'm just going to angle this in and up toward the back of the legs. Now I want to draw three more lines across the top. So let's start with the first one, coming in. And I want to give this a slight angle coming towards the back of the leg. Let's move up and draw that again, but this time we're going to go all the way across towards the back of the legs. Let's do that one more time. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Marty from Johnny Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.